At Dakota Automation, we have over 20 years experience supporting the furniture industry. As an example, this drawer side fabrication system takes raw boards and processes them into a pair of drawer sides ready for assembly. In production, the boards are automatically cross-transferred into the system. The front finish and back drawer grooves are made during the length cut. And the bottom grooves are made with the drawer height rip. The completed drawer sides are stacked and released to the downstream processes. The stacking system enables continuous stacking throughout the unload process. Our expertise in wood product fabrication and material handling enables us to deliver world-class custom equipment to the furniture industry. It's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.